Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to do the first run of my Redcat Ascent. I attended an event earlier this year with many different classes of trucks. Comp 2 trucks seemed to spark my interest, but I didn't want to spend several $100s to get a truck together. The Redcat Ascent is a ready-to-run, entry-level comp truck for those who are not wanting to piece together many different parts. I watched the release of this truck on social media at Proline by the Fire, and after looking at the design, it looked very familiar to another brand, the Axial 10.3 Pro, for a fraction of the price. So let's see if it performs. Oh, nice. Alright, that was pretty steep. That was great. Oh, here we go, we catch a lug. Oh, nice job. That was great. Took a couple tries to get the everything correct. Come on, there you go. That was good. That was very good. Needs a little more flex in this truck. Maybe I can get it. Oh, there we go. I got it. This is a very difficult obstacle here. Basically an uphill V-notch. It's gonna be maybe a little bit too much for a stock truck. Let's see if I can get it. Just to show you what I'm dealing with. It's a V, but with overhangs and a diff hanger there. Very difficult. If I can get this truck has some real promise, but this is comp level here. Oh, okay, that's good. Get a little power to it. Maybe the front up, no. Yeah, it just wants to tilt back because there's not enough weight in the front here. So gonna be my front wheels are in the air, so there's little chance of me getting this at this point. I'm just stuck in this V-notch, uphill V-notch, and I don't think I'm gonna get this today. Here's my truck. I got a little 850 milliamp 3S battery, only tied to one side in the back. I did change out to XT60 because that's what I like to run, and everything else is stock, so it's been running for a while. Oops. And the motor is room temperature, nothing crazy. ESC, cold. What is my opinion of the truck? My number one concern is the modulation. Sometimes I just need to crawl a little bit slower and I could have made things. Second thing is the suspension. I need a little more flex so it doesn't tip over so easily on side hills. Also, wheels and tires would help a lot, as would a little bit weight on the front. So, thanks for watching.